kiddo.
Come on.
You went in here, G. You got this. Yeah, baby. Get there. You're on.
In quick.
Look two.
Ma, you gotta get to that base.
Good job, G.
Come on, love.
Liz, we need you 2-7. Come on, get up.
Hey, head down. Hey, no worries here, girls. Go. Head down. Come on, Liv.
Get ready, Liv. Get ready. Running that contact.
Right. Control that game.
Heads up.
Go get it. Go get it. Hurry up, dude. Nothing past you now. Come on, Tay. You got this. Sling it somewhere.
Nothing gets by, kiddo. Get it early.
Propay in.
Break three.
Nice job. Watch
Here we go,
it.
Keith.
Nice job.
Come on, guys, go.
One down, lasers.
Down. Here we go.
Come on, kids.
Little pop here, kiddo.
Here we go. Going to one. One at home.
Come on, guys.
One and home.
Nice.
Yeah, go.
Way to go, guys. Let it roll.
Good.
Got one down.
Sling it somewhere.
One now. Here we go. Lead runner. Let's go.
Come on, Lynn.
Everybody's ready. That's easy, Lisa.
Throw it. Down, kids. Down.
Nice.
Ooh.
Nice.
Oh, you got it. That was good. Right away, one motion.
Sling one somewhere.
Come on, Lynn.
Watch her around the three. Here we go. Going to one. Watch that runner now. Here we go.
Come on.
Three going left.
Look, we got two. Run right at her. Yeah, we got two girls, two.
Come on, Al.
Hey, hey, come on, let's go. Here we go. One down. Come on, Terry. Nice job. One down. Here we go.
Come on, Ed.
Early, Ab. See it from the
Do
hip.
your way. Go one. Here we go.
Come on, 9.
Good job.
Nice.
Come on, Ab. D. Sling one somewhere, kid. Come on, Ab.
Good job, Keith. One to one, girls.
Nice.
Look good, look good. You won.
Watch out your glove, okay? Go on third. Watch the whole leg in.
Home now. Here we go.
Boys coming in, honey.
Good job, 2-1. Keep it up, Kevin.
Nice. Great.
Nice job. Go, Keith.
All right, now win the battle, Keith. Stick with it, get the battle.
Stay with that. Be your
Heel wall, Liv.
Okay, Drew.
Come on, 9.
Go one, go one, go one. Hustle.
There you go, Brooke. Way to fire it up, one.
Come on, girls. Let's score now. Here we go.
Hey, Jake Cronin, get us started.
Hey, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Girls, we have to watch the ball off the bat. Come on, Tay. Watch it out. Nice, girls.
I'll see it, Deanna.
Stack the balls here, girls. Let's go.
Diana.
Back and fire. Okay?
You want to go to Alabama, Diana?
Watch it all the way. Sit there, do it right, kid.
feet, George.
Lanny, gunner out.
Break.
The V is like won't leave me alone now.
The whole way in.
Lanny, way in control of the game. Good job.
Come on, Jude.
Good hold, good hold.
And as soon as she goes back, she's got to go. Get it to take. If she goes back, she's got to go back. She's out.
Your timing's good. Make contact now.
She got two, George.
Hit the ball, hit it hard somewhere, too.
Right, come on, P. Let's get it started, P.
All right, take 1 or 2 here, girls. Make a play. Knock it down.
Come on, girls.
Couple breaths, Pete. Couple breaths. Couple breaths. Couple swings. Pete, take a warm-up swing. Take a warm-up swing. Take your time. Top of the bat to the ball, girl. Good. Load. Now
Nice, go!
Hey, that's right now.
Good look, good look.
Throw the player behind the
Right there, P, you got this. 3-2. Yep, full count. Come on, Seth.
Three, two, full count. Go, go! Yes! Doesn't matter where it goes, you're going. Okay?
Hey, 1, 2, 3 inning, girls.
Come on, Ox.
Let's go, Pete. Come on, 21, stay hot.
And lasers, everyone ready?
Come on, Ox. Stay with somewhere.
There you go, Alyssa, just like that.
Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike. Somewhere. Mike, come on. Stay hard, Mike. Right out there. Come on. Your zone. Let's go. Come on, Mike.
Nice.
Right.
Nice job.
Lay your head down, Pete.
Plate, Maya.
Nothing's going up.
Young three, watch her. Okay, going to one now, not going to one.
All right, let's get the batter.
Come on, Andy. You get some right, kid. Early and hard. Come on, Andy.
Chris,
Let's get the out, girls.
Right in.
Nice.
Break.
Job, good pitch.
That's what we want. We'll get those. Come on, kid.
Maybe better have that house.
Come on, kid. Come on, Andy.
Okay, here we go.
Come on, Andy.
Alright, we got two girls going to one.
Hey, we're playing the batter, girls. Playing the batter. Take it big.
Covering home now.
What is, what's your
Right back to the pitcher. Right back to the pitcher. Come on, Andy. Right.
Nice
How you
pitch.
doing? That's good, dude.
Come on, 2-1, win the battle. Find your pitch, let's go.
Let me know when you leave and make sure your stuff's picked up around the house, okay? But not homework.
That's a good one.
Come on, kid.
I got the melting pot with Nick, but I don't know how to
Got a
get him
block,
in.
okay?
I like two, like, no hot.
All right, come on, Ray. Come on, Ray. Get it early.
Lay down now.
She made a lot of money, though.
What?
She just made a whole ton of money. And she's sitting.
Yes.
Not the wrong man.
Right.
Lori went there with, Gavin, I think.
Girls are going to one.
Come on, Ray. Come on, Ray. Not a compromise, kid. Early and turn on one. Come on, kid. Get it early, Ray. Outfield, come home. Good hold.
Look, here we go.
We're not chasing. Come on, Ray.
Going to one, girls. Here we go.
You got it, you got it!
Nice pitch.
Come on, P, you got this.
Come on, Ray. 3-0. Right. Hey, that's right. You got two big ones left, right? Still in a good spot. If it's in there, you like it, attack. You're not chasing. Come on, kid.
Going to one, girls. Get out of it.
Top of the line now.
Ray, way to get on. I certainly am. I only have a 9.
The official.
Come on, Anna.
Go, Lisa. Here you go. You got two now.
Nice.
Good cut.
Come on, let's get this last out, girls.
Your wall, Liv.
Come on now. Come on, girls. Right here.
Oh, you got it!
Ava, let's get this, kid. Start it
Gotta
off.
attack the ball with your hands.
Come on, Eva.
All right.
Good stitches. Come on, be ready.
Come on, Ray, work ahead here, kid.
Okay, come on, Eva.
Come on, Eva.
Go down base, baby. Little hit.
Stitches. Come on, Eva.
Nice start, kid. Good talk, good talk. Okay, swing away.
Come on, one.
Come on, 1-1. Go, Mike, take it again. Nice start, Ray. Kid, work ahead. Come on.
No, here. Look at her feet. That's all right, Ava. Nice job.
Ones that you're getting down low, those are your mega pitches. Below your knees, the ball. Outside pitch goes to right. Okay? Two strikes. Good call.
You can't set it up. Come on, Riley. Let's do it. Come on, girls. Outside. Go for it.
Turn the hips, Gabby, turn the hips.
Let's go 2-1.
Come on, ladies, we can do this. Here we go. Covering.
Here she comes. Tag. Way to go, Liv.
Great job, Liv. Nice job.
We don't hustle.
Take it on, Lakers. Let's get it.
Fastball, hop, find it.
We got two now. Out to the catch. Come on, here we go.
When your kids think what
Cover home.
Covering home. Now here we go. Go on.
13.
Hey, want that ball, girls? Come on, Gigi. This way.
Get it started, Gigi. We need this.
All right.
They're right over her head.
Good eye.
All right, come on, leaders. We need base runners.
Overhead this.
All right.
Good. Now be selective, okay? Be selective.
Where's Ray? Reset your kid. Go, kid. Uno.
You can hit it, kid.
That's what it looks like.
Right.
Now you saw one.
Good job, so let it girl.
Go.
Go, baby. You got this.
Send it, 13. Turn on one.
Yeah, that's it, Gigi. Get there, get there, get there, get there.
Yeah. There you go, man. Looking good. I like it. Down balls. Last pitch, Ray.
Down. Never take quick hands over there. Hands, contact, head down. Okay? Hands back.
You got this 2-7?
Yeah, baby!
Get down.
Hey, way to go, Ace. Beautiful. Hustle.
Hey, hands back.
Come on, lead. Out, out. Moving back.
Hard, hard, hard. Let's hard.
Hustle.
Good job, boys.
Hey, come on, Ray. I definitely have to go. Come on, Ray.
Find your pitch, Steve. Nice.
Yeah. You want shoot. All right. Hey, now, Elisa.
Good job, Ray. Good hit, kid. Hit away.
Good job, Ray.
Come on, you turn now.
Everybody's moving, let's go.
Come on, Anna.
Come on, Anna. Sting one somewhere, kid.
Here we go, got one now, here we go.
Yeah, I don't have one.
Be there now, be there.
Nice.
Come on.
Nice pitch, Pete. Hey, now,
Yeah,
Kate.
Pete.
Top, throw out. Let's see your back
Come on,
leg.
Anna. Try one, kid.
Hard, hard. One strike.
Relax. Throw out, Kate.
You guys, here we go. Here we go with it.
Come on.
Anna, the way keep battling, working every pitch. Come on, Anna.
Two. One.
One, you got it, kid.
Come on.
Nope.
Anna, good hold. Good one now, right?
Three ball. One strike.
Win this battle
at 2 or at 1.
Come on, Ken.
Go. Girl. Stay where you are, Alyssa. Stay where you are.
Go for the catch.
Come on. Kid, come on. Jump and sting. Come on, Ken.
Play deep now.
Come on, Ken. Go.
There you go, B. One more. Win this battle.
Come on, Ken.
Find your pitch.
See right off that bat. Head down and drive.
Squeeze it.
Go.
Come on, ladies, let's do it.
Ava, good play.
Step on the pitch, Kate. You got 2 strikes. That's better. Okay, the pitch came out of the pocket. You picked it up. Let go. Now you're a little late. Okay?
You got this, Kate. Come on, Liv.
Fire.
There you go. Hang into it, too.
Hey, much better. You picked it up out of the pocket and stepped it. Same thing. Look at me.
Just like that. Basic
Now you're
laser.
out, you're backing up. Back step.
Go.
Don't go in fire in there. Mayfield, make a play. I never know.
You're on offense.
Juju, win the battle. Hit it hard somewhere.
Come on, Kate. Pass ball, you're moving. Right. Good on defense. All right, pick it up out of the pocket. Drive. All right. Come on, be aggressive, Juju.
Come on, Juju. Let's go. Are you ready?
What do you want to do?
Nice take, 37. Be ready.
Your game, Liv, your game.
Email
Say
now.
by 4.
If you can send email it, and then you can
Yes, Hey, turn the hip. Go to second if you get it right. Turn the hip. Right. Yeah. Looking to attack. Not sit back. Look to attack, Pete. Come on. Give yourself an extra quarter second. Slide back to the box. Slide back to the catcher. Come on, 5-4.
I'm hard.
Way to stay alive. You know, win the battle.
Game, Liv, your game.
As like an admin.
Hit it hard somewhere, team. We need you.
We can want you to schedule an event and everything, and usually have.
God, if they want me to
No.
schedule, you guys are in trouble.
I think she put it as you are an admin. I think we gotta remove you and add you as a family member.
Oh,
Because like if my mom goes on, she can't see all that stuff. So I think added you as like right, we must have added you as a family member. And
Oh, okay.
Take one, man. Take one. That's it. Hey, everything to one here, girls. Everything to one. Deep in mind, charge the ball, quick hands. Look at me. Every pitch, we're back, picking it up and driving it forward. Okay? Guys, 2 outs. Hey, I still want to see you stepping on that, Ava. Step on the pitch.
Ready? Come on, one, let's do it.
I'm trying. Hey, that was a bad pitch. Just look at your timing. Step on it. Get your feet on. So if you do get a good pitcher there. Okay?
We need you ones. Come on now. Drive one now, kid. When you like, when you get out.
Let's go. One.
Ones. Oh, beautiful.
Good pitch. Stop.
Straighten it out,
You can do this, kid. Focus in.
Ava, you gotta go sooner.
One ball, one
strike. 1-1.
Come on, Eva. I know who out there wants. Come on.
Oh.
Good eye. Come on, Eva. Keep that on
No worries, Liv. Spinning, keep spinning.
Get ready for it. Come on, Eva. Turn
Plays
that
the
one
first
on the
infield,
line.
more easiest space.
Come on, let everybody else to guard.
First.
Right.
Yeah.